Hello, my dear kids. I hope every one of you are doing very, very well. Today, I brought the golden rules of hygiene, which we used to discuss each and every morning at school. These are the most important rules that we need to follow every day. So, why late? Let's go jump in and see. The first rule: wake up early in the morning. This is the most important rule which we need to follow. Try waking up early in the morning. And then after waking up, what should we do? We have to first go to mommy and daddy and say good morning. And later, the second rule of hygiene is brush your teeth. We should not talk to any people or eat or drink anything unless we brush our teeth. So the second thumb rule is brushing our teeth. Next, take a bath every day. Don't skip taking your bath. Don't think that you're not coming to the school or it's a Sunday or whatever reason it is. Do not miss your bath. You have to clean your body every day. So what is the third thumb rule? It is take a bath every day. These are the golden rules that we have to follow. Do you like golden rules? Yes, we have to follow them. The fourth thumb rule is wear clean clothes. Here, I would like to stop and sing the song which we used to sing every day at school. The first rhyme or our daily school routine. Let me sing for you. Just remember it. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, have your bath, wear clean clothes, and go to school. I know you're not able to come to school now, but remember, these are the thumb rules which I've brought you in this video. The first one, wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, have your bath, and wear clean clothes. Next, the fifth golden rule is we have to go to bed early in the night. Don't keep watching TVs. Go to bed early in the night, then only you can wake up early in the morning. Waking up early is one of the golden rule. To make that happen, what should we do? We have to go to bed early in the night. The next one is the important part of hygiene. Do not eat your nails or cut your nails with your mouth, but we have to cut them neat, short, and regularly. How do we do that? We go to mommy or daddy, ask them to cut our nails with the nail cutter. Correct. Never cut your nails with your mouth or eat your nails. It's very, very dangerous to your health. So, the most important golden rule of your hygiene is cut your nails regularly and keep them short, not too long, okay? And never eat your nails. These are the most important golden rules that we follow. Shall we do some activity with the golden rules? Okay. So far I have talked about what? Sleeping, waking up, brushing, and bathing. Here this activity shows some pictures. Let me see. There are 4 pictures if you observe. The 4 pictures are telling you some action. The first picture tells you wake up. How do you do that? Draw the line from the picture to the wake up. Correct? Now, the second picture on the left, second one shows what? Brushing. Correct? B for brush. Correct. Next, go to the third picture. It shows bathing. This is a small activity where you can follow the actions at the same time. Remember the golden rules. The fourth picture shows sleeping. Now tell me, wake up early. Second one, brushing regularly every day. Bathing every day. Sleeping early to bed. Now kids, I'm going to ask you nice questions and you have to tell me the correct answers loudly. And the first question is, do you wake up early in the morning? I'm talking about you. Do you wake up early in the morning? I want the answer to be yes. If you don't, keep a practice of waking up early in the morning and do some running or exercise work. Do not forget to say good morning to your parents, and next you have to follow with your brushing. The second question is, shall I? The second question is, how many times do you take a bath every day? Oh man, every day once a bath is a must. And if it is 2 times a day, I will be very happy. One in the morning, one in the evening to make your body fresh, neat. Okay? So, how many times do you bath? Tell me the correct answer. How many times do you bath every day? I do it 2 times. I hope you also do it 2 times. If not, once is a must. The third question. Do you brush your teeth at night? I want you to say yes loudly. If not, keep a practice from today to brush your teeth before you go to bed. It's very good for your teeth, and I want to see your teeth neat and tidy when you're back to school. So, do you brush your teeth at night? Yes, yes, yes. Do you cut your nails short regularly? With your mouth? No, not with your mouth, but cut your nail with a nail cutter regularly and keep it short. These are the golden rules. Let me repeat once again. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, have your bath, wear clean clothes, go to bed early in the night, and then cut your nails short and regularly. Do watch all the videos, revise them, writing or let's talk or worksheets or the general EVS subject, whatever may be. Once I get the syllabus of the latest books, I keep updating them. Do not forget to watch. If you are having any doubts, pull the video, watch them again and again, and then keep yourself fresh and happy. See you soon.